Hello everyone. Today is Friday, October 11th. It's about 8 p.m., about 3 p.m. My local time. I have another live trading video from Jim, and it's almost a repeat of yesterday. What is really looking obvious to me is the role of the auto trader in Jim's trading. Not only does Jim have a good feel for the market, but he talks about execution in this video, and it's the auto trader algorithm, the auto trader filters, and the auto trader execution, meaning entering the trade on a limit order, executing at set profit targets, trailing the stops, the ability to get in at a certain level. In this video, he uses the breakout news entry feature on the auto trader, which is this right here. So if you check this box right here and you double click anywhere on the chart, it draws a line here, and basically the market would have to pull back here, and it would take you long into the market at 78.54, and then the auto trader would take over at that point and execute based on your trade management here. So Jim uses this feature here. To get rid of this, you just click the X here. But quite a day for Jim live trading in his funded accounts. So an excellent day in Jim's funded accounts. Let's take a look and see what happened.
October 11th, about an hour and 10 minutes before market open. I do have to leave this morning. The template I will leave on is filtered by daily open range. And this is one of the few times where I have both longs and shorts checked. The logic behind that is 7860 represents a major completion on the upside. So far it's been tested twice overnight and both time rejected. So what this tells me is that yes, it's possible they're gonna break higher, but the fact that so far they've been rejected off of 7860 leads me to believe that there could be two-sided action, and we could possibly even have a sell-off if this number continues to be resistance. So both are checked at 9:30. The daily open range starts. The auto trade is going to take a long above it, providing the bars are blue, or a short below it, providing the bars are red. I'm going to leave the recording running. Hopefully it comes out. Right, so I'm back, almost 11 o'clock. Boy, are we bullish. I really thought 78.60 is going to give them an issue, but no, they just broke right through it. I think the recording from the morning came out because it was still going when I came in, so should be good, and it was a winning template today. There was also another template that I ran, but that one started after 10 o'clock because of the news. Pretty much the same target and stop. Again, trading two contracts, but this one first target is 20 ticks because it's a much smaller time frame. This is a 7-tick range. And this one a bit after the news. Again, when I left, I said both longs and shorts because I really was not sure which way the market was going to go. So sometime after the news, there was a long. It was first target and then out on a trail. Then there was a qualified short, took a short, out on one, and then I guess hit the target, but then got nasty slippage. So got bad slippage on that one. That's all right. So now, here is the thing. As long as we are above 78.60, they're going to try for 79, around 16, I think it was, between 16 and 20. So I'm just trying to figure out how to get long to that number. Would love to have another retracement. So I'm going to put the recording on pause and just wait a bit. I would like for them to retrace back to around 80 and then turn around for a long. So let's pause this. All right, so there is some retracement. They're going to 79.16. There's no question. I normally don't do this, but this time I will. I'm just gonna see if they come down a bit more. If they come down to around 86, I would love to take a long without even waiting. All right, so I am in. Looking for 79.16. First target is right above the swing high, and I have no concerns about it whatsoever. We are going higher. The way they walked through 78.60 like it was nothing, where it was a major resistance area, they are just strong. They are strong and they will not stop until they get to at least 79.16. All right, and they're running toward that high. They definitely want to break it. They will break it. And they will go higher. Tiny, tiny retracements. And that's why I had to take advantage of this retracement. I did not even want to wait until precision trend went blue. Why did I choose this point? Well, because this point, you see this? This was like a temporary resistance, which then they broke through. So now it would act as support, which is why I chose this point. Wow, just shot right up, hit first target. It's going to keep going. They're not going to stop. There might be some minor retracements, but they are not going to stop. I'm not even going to move my stop loss. I'm going to just keep it there. I'm not sure if I showed time and sales. Still early in the day, and I'm positive before this day is over, they're going to go way past 7,900. Here's 7,900. And once they break through it, it's going to be a very quick 79.16. And here it is. And this time with positive slippage. Yeah, just was a matter of time. Just a matter of time. And I mean, it's as simple as this. It's, and by the way, if you think that using this option here to go long over here made this a manual trade, I would disagree. If there is, at least for me, if there is anything more difficult than finding an entry, it is managing a trade. This trade was managed completely by the auto trader. And without it, it would be, for me, it is extremely challenging to manage a trade. Ironically enough, especially a winning trade. Somehow with, this is the way it used to be, a losing trade, I would just let it go. It's the winning trades that I would always cut short. But now I'm writing it the whole way. And here it is. I don't know if some of you like to see the text. So just took two contracts right at this support area. Used to be resistance, now became support. Two contracts, no heat. And then let me, if I just make it bigger. First target, second target, really next to no retracements, at least so far today. So I have one more account that I did not trade. At this point, I will only trade it if there is a substantial retracement down. I'm talking about now before hitting 79.16. So here's the trick. For me to trade the fourth account, I need price to retreat back to 78.80 ideally, without first hitting 79.16. If 79.16 is hit before there was a retracement, I probably will not trade the fourth account today. I can, at this point of the day, with three accounts being successful, I can afford to be really picky. So we'll see. All right, so they came close to 16. I'm going to try and take along with this fourth account, same exact template. I guess what concerns me, when I talk prices, it's always a zone, especially with the NASDAQ, because it's a fairly wild market. So we came to slightly above 10. So does 10, 11 satisfy 16? I don't know, but I don't think so. I don't think it does. So I'm gonna try and make this trade happen. Let's see if they'll fill me. Okay, well, here's this long, right through the step MA, and something happened. They're moving fast. Definitely retraced further than I anticipated. Something's going on. They just spiked lower and there was very fast action. Gotta be some kind of news thing. Well, volatility is good for the auto trader. The auto trader loves volatility. Here is first target. Yeah, there was definitely some kind of a news thing. The Nasdaq just spiked like 30 points. Would never be able to catch this manually. Just happened too fast. Look at this. This is all the same minute. Look at this. 12:32, 12:32, 12:32, 12:32. This all happened in just a few seconds, looks like. And yet the arbitrator caught this long. Well, definitely got in at a much better price. Just trying to eat lunch here, so don't want to chew in your ear. I'm gonna get my daily. Come on. And done with number 4. A thing of beauty. So let's see what happened here. So look at this. Look, it was kind of bouncing lower, 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 and then at 12:32. So right from here, so roughly from 64. This has all happened within this period of time. Went from 64 to as low as 40, and then shot up higher, and the arbitrator just caught this move higher. That's your speed of execution. Could not be duplicated manually. No way. Excellent. All right, everyone. I'll see you, well, not Monday, Tuesday.